Hey everyone, it's Mike with liftedtrucks.com. We are known for our awesome selection of trucks, but we also have an amazing selection of SUVs and Jeeps. Like this 2019 Wrangler Rubicon with only 16,000 miles. On this one, we added some extra juice by adding a set of 37-inch BFG mud terrain tires, 17-inch bronze method race wheels, and a set of Fox racing shocks. This setup gives this Jeep added off-road performance while still maintaining a great ride on the street. Now with locations in Arizona, Texas, and Alabama, we have over 850 vehicles to choose from, and we ship nationwide. For more information, log on to liftedtrucks.com. That's liftedtrucks.com.